Hi everybody, Michelle Vassallo from Rhythm Massage Development and Education, and today I'm going to be continuing my series, Be the Best Massage Therapist That You Can Be. In this series, I've compiled a number of tips and tricks and useful bits of information that I've used for the last 17 years in order to develop myself as the best massage therapist that I can be. And today it's tip number 6. And it's something that you do not learn about in massage school. Nobody really talks about this one. And it's more to do with PR than it is to do with your particular massage skills or the skills that you like to use in the massage room. And this trick or tip is all about remembering your clients and remembering things about them that they've told you. So special bits of information, if they've told you something about their work or their sport or an upcoming event that they've got coming or something about a family member and you know that they're generally chatting, try to remember specifics about your clients because it means that you've got an interest in them as well as in their physical body, and clients love that. So people come in, you haven't seen them for a few weeks and say, hey, such and such, how was that event? Or how did that sporting thing go for you? Those things are really important. They're public relations, but they're also human connection, and human connection matters because what you're doing is you're working with another human being in your clinical space, affecting their physical well-being. But what you're also doing is you're working in a space with another human being, and it's a positive place to make a connection. So being the best massage therapist you can be means remembering things about your clients. Write them down in the notes. Sometimes I'll make little side notes. Aside from my clinical notes, I might have like a little column for a couple of little things that I've learned about the client, for example, the names of the kids or whatever it is that they're telling you. It's enough to remember a couple of little things and ask them about it when you see them again because it shows them that you care. And if you're going to be the best massage therapist that you can be, not only do you have to be really good at all the skills that make a massage therapist, but you have to have some heart too. And asking people questions and showing that you're interested and remembering things about them shows them that you've got heart. If you haven't already jumped over to my website, rhythmmassage.com.au, head on over there, set yourself up a student profile. All you have to do is put in an email and create a password. And once you're in the system, you'll be also able to receive my monthly newsletters. And in those newsletters, I have lots of different information that I don't upload to the Facebook group. So special offers and discounts for online courses and in the classroom, special announcements that I haven't put onto the Facebook page, and anything else that I might think is kind of cool and important, and whatever it is I'd like to reach out and give you guys. So sign up for the newsletter, and I'll see you in the classroom or in the online space sometime soon. It's over and out from me. Take care out there, enjoy what you do, and be the best therapist that you can be. Bye guys.